Hi, you're watching Prime Tech Solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to partition your drive and why you need to partition it, and also how to move your default folders into that partition. So let's start. As you can see, we only have drive C here. So what we're going to do is to divide this C drive and create another partition. Let's go ahead and open File Explorer and right-click this PC. And for Windows 11, you need to select Show More Options and select Manage. And go to Disk Management. This is our drive C. This is what we are going to partition. Right-click, select Shrink Volume. And then here we are going to enter the size of the volume that we want to create. Go ahead and enter 350 for our second partition. And then click Shrink to create the second partition. There we go. We have here the second partition that we created. Let's right-click on it. Select New Simple Volume. Next. And let's go ahead and use all this volume. Select Next. And let's assign the drive letter to D. Select Next. Let's give a name for our partition. I prefer data, since this is where I'm going to be saving all my data. Select Next and Finish. And it will quickly format the partition. There you go, it's finished. So you can see, we go to this PC. We can see here now this is our second partition. Here in our first partition, this is where your operating system is installed, and also all applications that you are using. This is also the location of desktop, music, documents, pictures, downloads, and videos folders. So if your system crashes and your Windows doesn't load and you want to reprogram or format your computer, all your files in these default folders will be lost. Well, it can be recovered, but it takes a lot of work to do that. So let me show you how we can change the location of these default folders from here to this partition that we just created. Para kung sakaling makorrupt man yung operating system mo dito at ayaw niya mag-load, and safe pa rin yung ating mga files kahit na i-format natin yung drive C. Tara, umpisan natin. Let's go to drive C and then users, and then ito yung user natin, Teggy, and andito lahat yung mga folders na i-move natin sa drive D. Ito yung mga ginagamit natin: desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, and videos. Ito yung mga common folders na ginagamit natin to save our files. Let's right-click Desktop, and then select Properties, and then select the tab Location. And here, we are going to change this to D, since this is the drive letter of our second partition. And then select OK. Since the folder doesn't exist yet, so just click Yes for it to create the folder in the drive. And it will ask if you want to move all the files from the old location to the new location. So just click Yes and then OK. So let's just repeat the process to the other folders. Okay, we're finished. Let's check whether they are already in the drive D. Let's open our drive D. There, so we have here our folders, desktop. So if you right-click the desktop here, we can select Properties. We can see that the location is already D drive. And that's all for this video. I hope you learned something. if you want more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit that notification bell so that you will be notified for our new videos. Bye!